Hi, welcome to the new video. Today I'm doing part 2 of 4 of the skeleton band. This time it's the singer. As always, black and white as opaque colors, the rest are transparent candies. I'm starting with the first gray, and the surface is also, as most of the times, it's a Chromolux thick paper, which has a glossy coated surface, so it's like working on metal or plastic. So it's ideal for practicing or to do some showpiece for your maps to show to customers. So I've done now a first gray with a white and less opacity. And now I'm putting a light brown of it to get like the skull tone. A light brown I have like 90% yellow and 10% purple. Put a little bit white in the microphone. So that was step 1, and now comes the highlight section. And now I'm doing full white. And then I'm putting cover over the whole thing. And I'm doing a quick background. This is just a piece of paper I'd torn for some background. So you got like a horizon there. Now I have black to do some shadows at the feet. So as you can see on the side, this one is gonna be like green. So I'm mostly using 3 colors for the background. So I have like a base color, which is the green, and then I have like the dark blue for darker green tones and the yellow for lighter tones. So they're always at the borders the color will mix. So you got the blue, the dark green, the green, and now the yellow and bright green. And again, a little white for the horizon. And some dots for like a star, so and there you have it. Now I'm returning to the light brown, and I go over the whole the bones, and I will go back with the highlight section there, and I'm not painting everything, but just a few things like the rib cage or the vertebra. So there's some cool highlights. And you've finished. So if you like, you can subscribe my channel, and see you soon.